Bringing a new memory technology to market is one of the most complex challenges in semiconductors. It's not enough to invent a revolutionary device. The real challenge is turning that invention into a manufacturable, scalable, and economically viable product. And if even one part of that chain to make it happen fails, the entire opportunity collapses. To succeed, everything must align, must be based on solid physics, sophisticated design, working as one team with device and process, and very importantly, it needs a well-chosen product that is a fit for the technology and adds value in the system of the customer. Revolutionary memory technology can't afford to be niche. If the volume isn't there, private financing dries up. Development can't happen in isolation. You need a well-established ecosystem of partners, utilizing the European pilot lines at CEA-Leti in France, Fraunhofer in Germany, and IMEC in Belgium, since mass production lines in Asia don't have the flexibility for development or innovation. The system-level integration is not optional. It's how you show customers what the new technology can actually do for them. But this is exactly what makes the challenge worth pursuing. The reward is enormous, the chance to take a foundational innovation and scale it into one of the world's largest markets. To see your technology power the next generation of computing, from AI to advanced data centers, and to know that you've not just solved an engineering puzzle, you've helped to reshape the global infrastructure.